Hi, everybody. I just startled my cat. It was funny. Happy Wednesday. We're about halfway through the first week of our extended school year program, and I hope that you're enjoying it so far and that you're also taking time to enjoy the nice, sunny, warm summer weather. So for today, thank you, first of all, for tuning into the mini lesson. Our mini lesson today will revolve around some vocabulary to go along with the book, The Island of the Blue Dolphins. So we're going to be going over some of the key vocabulary words for the first 4 chapters of the book before we start reading, which actually are going to start chapter 1 today. I will go over some definitions for you on the Google Doc that I provide. I will have the words and the definitions at the top, and then fill in the blank section on the second half of that document. So I'll read through that for you in just a moment. Once you go through this mini lesson where I review the vocabulary with you and read what it is that you're supposed to do when you get to the Google Doc, then I would like you to please switch over to the audio recording of chapter 1 of Island of the Blue Dolphins. I know that you have not received the hard copy of the novel yet, but the audio recording has the text along with it, so you can follow along on your computer screen as you listen. I think it's probably better to use the hard copy that you'll be receiving in the mail, but for now we'll do the text. The reason why I want to get started before the material, oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Before the materials are mailed to you is because there are 29 very short chapters in the book, which means we pretty much need to get started now and do a chapter a day. And actually, there will be at least one day where we double up and do 2 chapters in one day so that we can get through the entire book by the end of the 6-week program. So, mini lesson video, vocabulary activity on the Google Doc, and then listen and follow along on your computer screen to chapter 1 of Island of the Blue Dolphins. And that'll be it for today. So I want to read to you what you'll see on your Google Doc, and it'll be nice once you get the hard copies because you'll actually be able to look at a hard copy while I'm reading to you. So I think that's a lot more helpful. You should be getting everything, I would say, by Thursday or Friday of this week in the mail. So be watching for that. Here are the main vocab words for chapters 1 through 4. We have lapping, which means washing against something in small waves. Sparingly, which means in moderation or without waste. Pelts, which are animal skins or furs. Leagues, which are units of distance that measure sea or land. Parley, a conference between enemies to discuss a truce. And finally, we have profit, which is money or value that is gained. So the second part of what you will see on your Google Doc is you're going to have to kind of take those words, look at the definitions, and then figure out where the words fit into certain sentences. So it'll be a fill in the blank, but you can write the word that would go in the blank. Instead of trying to write it on the blank, write it next to the sentence. So your choices are going to be sparingly, lapping, parley, pelts, profit, and leagues. Number 1, the island was approximately 4 blanks from the mainland. Number 2, the family used their small amount of lamp oil blank. Number 3, explorers often bought animal blank to stay warm during the long winter. Number 4, the pirate captain requested a blank with the captain of the enemy ship. Number 5, the small waves were blank against the rocks of the shore as the tide came in for the evening. And number 6, Abby hoped to make a blank of $50 at the bazaar. And that's all we have for that today. So on the Google Doc, I'll tell you, those cats, they just wait for me to start recording lessons to misbehave. They're fighting right now and about to knock over a glass candle holder. Behave yourselves, please. At least you guys are behaving. Thank you. So just 6 short questions to answer on that Google Doc, and then you get to listen to the first chapter of the book. Pretty easy, right? Hope it's fun too, and I hope you love, love, love this book. Good seeing you, sort of. I mean, I'm sort of seeing you. I'm picturing your beautiful little faces. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Bye.